For those who don't already know me, my name is Colleen Elizabeth, your legal marketing insider. I have been inside the law firm for nearly a decade. I don't like to say that because it makes me sound old. I know what works, what doesn't work. I know what departments are going to have an impact on what, and that's why I really want to talk today about intake. I want to make sure that your marketing actually works. Now, I'm not here to go off on the intake department. It's more so, how are we looking at intake? And today I would love to just talk about the fact that law firms are burning out thousands and thousands of dollars because their intake team drops the ball. Your intake is your gold mine, essentially. ROI, I cannot say this enough. ROI lives in follow-up. So you could be getting 1,000 phone calls every hour, but if you're not following up on these, why are you holding workshops? Why are you even marketing? Your intake team is dropping the ball. And this is no fault to your intake team. It's not a blame game. This is a let's fix this, because you're literally losing money that you're putting into this black hole. And why am I talking about marketing and then talking about intake? The two go hand in hand. Intake is your gold mine. And attorneys, literally, you guys spend so much money. I mean, you're literally spending literal dollars to make the phones ring, right? If your phones are ringing, that's a good thing. Your intake team better be picking them up 1 to 2 rings. By the 3rd ring, you already know the relaxed managing partner is going to be running down the hall, storming in saying, why is anyone answering the phones? They need to know why they're doing what they do, why they should care. Like, that is the first impression of your firm, your brand. So if somebody's calling and they're interested, they're on the hook. You spend thousands of dollars, burn through thousands of dollars every year, but literally, where is the conversion? The ROI lives in the follow-up. So the follow-up and then the initial phone call, those are the 2 things that your intake department is likely going to be in charge of. So that's really, really important. You need to understand what they're doing and why. Why are they asking for so much information? Why are they saying, like, where did you hear about us? You want to give them everything they need to succeed, because intake is literally equivalent to me as if you're working at a restaurant. In the front of the house, you've got the hostesses, the servers, bartenders, the managers. There's a little hierarchy. Now, if you're nice to the hostesses, they're going to seat you with great families, great tables, high tippers. If you're not nice to the hostess, they're going to be like, we're about to close, but let me seat you with a party of 50 after they just did all their cleanup and everything. So, you know, I've always been nice to my hostesses, just like I've always been nice to my intake, because if you're not nice to your intake, they're not going to care. They're going to want to see you fail. You don't know what's going on, attorneys. I have been inside the law firms and I have sat shoulder to shoulder with the managing partner, seeing how intake, company culture, and marketing decisions, and a lot of other things too, can really impact your goals, your ROI, and the overall reputation of your firm.